The Start node is where your assistant's conversation begins. You will have Start node on all BotStacks by default, and you cannot delete the Start node. I will show you how it works by using an example. I have a simple conversational flow here with OpenAI GPT model. I will connect the Start node to the OpenAI LLM node and test the assistant on Sandbox. Here you can see the assistant started to respond to my messages after I send the first message, but what if I want the assistant to send me a greeting message first before I send any messages? You can make the assistant respond first by enabling the manual trigger option on Start node. Now you will see two options on Start node. The On Message option will get triggered when user sends the first message in the chat, and On Trigger option will get triggered before user sends any messages. I will connect the On Trigger option with the text node to make the assistant send a greetings message. Now you will see a new option on Sandbox called Start as Web Assistant. This will trigger the On Trigger option on the Start node. See, the assistant followed the On Trigger path and sent the greetings message. The assistant follows the On Message path by default. Now I will show you how this works when the assistant is deployed on a website. This is my website where I deployed the assistant. Here you can see the assistant sent the greetings message when I opened the web widget. When user opens a chat or web widget, the On Trigger option on Start node will get triggered. That's it for this video, and see you on next one.